Returning a damaged product. Hi, I bought this yesterday and it's broken. Hi, I bought this yesterday and it's broken.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have the receipt? I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is. Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Would you like a replacement? Thank you. Would you like a replacement?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
No problem. I'll get you a new one. No problem. I'll get you a new one.
Can I check it before I take it home? Can I check it before I take it home?
Of course, I'll open the box for you. Of course, I'll open the box for you.
Requesting a refund. Hello, I'd like to return this and get a refund. Hello, I'd like to return this and get a refund.
May I ask why you're returning it? May I ask why you're returning it?
It doesn't work properly. It doesn't work properly.
Do you have the receipt? Do you have the receipt?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
All right, we'll process your refund now. All right, we'll process your refund now.
Will it go back to my card? Will it go back to my card?
Yes, you'll get the money within 3 days. Yes, you'll get the money within 3 days.
Complaining about bad service. Excuse me, I've been waiting for 20 minutes. Excuse me, I've been waiting for 20 minutes.
I apologize for the delay. I apologize for the delay.
No one helped me when I asked. No one helped me when I asked.
I'm really sorry. I'll assist you right away. I'm really sorry. I'll assist you right away.
Thank you. Thank you.
We'll do our best to make it better. We'll do our best to make it better.
I hope it improves next time. I hope it improves next time.
Yes, we'll speak with the staff today. Yes, we'll speak with the staff today.
Exchanging an item. Hi, I'd like to exchange this shirt. Hi, I'd like to exchange this shirt.
Sure, what's the issue? Sure, what's the issue?
It's too small. I need a bigger size. It's too small. I need a bigger size.
Do you have the receipt? Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is. Yes, here it is.
Great, you can choose a different size over there. Great, you can choose a different size over there.
Can I try it on before I decide? Can I try it on before I decide?
Absolutely. The fitting rooms are to the left. Absolutely. The fitting rooms are to the left.
Which sentence is grammatically correct? A. I want return this item. B. I wants to return this item. C. I want to return this item. D. I returning this item. Choose the correct polite question form. A. Can I to speak with a manager? B. Can I speaking with a manager? C. Can I speak with a manager? D. I can speak with a manager. Which sentence uses the correct past tense? A. I bought this yesterday. B. I buyed this yesterday. C. I was buy this yesterday. D. I have buy this yesterday. Choose the correct modal verb usage. A. You must show the receipt. B. You must to show the receipt. C. You must showing the receipt. D. You must show the receipt. Which sentence is in the future tense? A. I will talk to the manager. B. I talk to the manager. C. I talking to the manager. D. I talks to the manager. What is the correct negative sentence? A. I no have a receipt. B. I haven't receipt. C. I don't have a receipt. D. I didn't has a receipt.